Jody's Classic Glam palette. I can't wait to show it to you. I'm going to show you the new eyeshadows, Peaches and Cream, Earthly Nude, Back to Earth, and Tweed. These are classic eyeshadows that you can use during the day and glam up at night. The most important thing is to use your handy helper or your brush set to really contour and create the look you want for your eyes. I'm using some of the blush and eyeshadow to go real close to the eyelashes and underneath the lashes on the eyes. And I'm going to use both of the blushes, Mocha and Touch of Pink, for the pop for your cheeks. You can also use these as eyeshadows along as blushes. I'm going back one more time with the lightest color, Peaches and Cream, right at the top of the brow, and then blend all over with your blending brush. And it may have a little blush on it, but it just really looks beautiful. And then I'm going to use the Lip Stay Nude and then a lip gloss. The lip gloss that I'm going to finish with is Sweet Sugar, and you're going to love my palette, a classic glam palette for every day or into night. And be sure and finish with your Do It To Me Hydrating Setting Mist for your hair and to help set your makeup. You're going to love this new palette. I can't wait for you to have it in your hands. Thank you. Have a beautiful day.